Question number 37. The result of rolling a fair dice 150 times is as summarized in the table below. Now, okay, this is the table, this is the number. You know, in a fair die, we have 6 numbers. We have number 1, we have number 2, we have number 3, now number 4, 5, and 6. In case those who don't know what a fair die is, and that thing we always used to play Ludo in Nigeria. The 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, why 1 and then 4. Now you have the idea. Okay, so that's a fair die that has these 6 numbers on it, on each. So frequency means how many times each of this number comes up when thrown. And we were told that the fair die was thrown 150 times. You understand? We're told that the fair die is being thrown 150 times. That this fair die that has 6 sides with 6 different numbers is thrown 150 times. So the first 12 times, out of that 150 times, the number 1 appeared 12 times, the number 2 appeared 18 times, the number 3 appeared X times. So they expect us to find X, the number of times 3 appeared. 4 appeared 30 times, 5 appeared 2x times, 6 appeared 45 times. Now they ask, what is the probability of obtaining a 5? So I have to find that probability. We'll find out how many times 5 came out, and then divide it by the total number of times the die has been rolled. But before then, we have to find X. So this row here stands for the frequency, that number of times it has been thrown. And then here we have been told the dice is thrown 150 times. This is the total number of times it has been thrown. That means summation of the frequency equals to what? 150. So since we know that, that means if we add up all these other frequencies, it should give us the total number of times it was thrown. So that would be 150 should be equals to, you add up all these, that's 12 plus 18 plus X plus 30 plus 2X plus 45. So that would be 150 equals to 12 plus 18, that should give us 30. That should give us 30 plus another 30, that's 60, plus 45, that's 105. 105. Then we have here X plus 2X. You know, you have to add constants to constant, add variable to variable. That's, you have to collect like terms, you have to add like terms together, operate like terms. Okay, X plus 2X, that will give us 3X. If you have questions, you can drop it through the email address or through our WhatsApp contact. Okay. Now 150. Okay. So our 3x will be equals to 150 minus 105. So if you minus that 2, that will give you 45. So we have 3x to be equals to what? 45. So that our x, that's if you divide both sides by 3 to make x the subject, will be 45 divided by 3, which equals to 15. So our x is 15. So that means 15 is here, and here will be 30. That's 2x will be 30. That's 2 times 15, 30. So now, but that we weren't told to find x. What we were told to find is the probability of obtaining 5. So probability of obtaining a 5 will be the total number of times that 5 appeared, you understand, divided by the total number of times the dice has been rolled. That's how to calculate the probability of obtaining a 5. So total number of times that the 5 appeared is what? 2x. Then over total number of times the die was rolled, that's 150. So this will be our x is what? 15. So that's 2 times what? 15 over 150. So this is saying 30 over 150. 0 will cancel 0. 3 will cancel itself. 1 cancel 15 5 times. So that will be 5 over, that would be 1 over 5. So the probability of obtaining a 5 is 1 over 5. And that's our option B. So that's the solution to that question.